I'm really giving Gossip Girl vibes with this headband, but I didn't feel like drying my hair, okay? Okay. Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Audrey. I post videos every week and I also make TikToks. You might recognize me from there. That's my TikTok. But I also make YouTube videos. That's actually the social media where I really started being a content creator, and here I am now being a full-time content creator. So if you like today's video, please hit the like button because it really helps me out with YouTube's algorithm, and hit the subscribe button too because I'd love to have you as a subscriber. So yeah. So in today's video, I'm going to be I'm gonna be talking about starting. Yeah. Sorry. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to start a successful YouTube channel in 2021. And I've had my YouTube channel since 2018. Yeah, I've had my YouTube channel since 2018. It is now 2021. And I've learned a few things along the way. I'm not necessarily the biggest YouTuber in the world, but I took a channel from 0 subscribers to 25,000 subscribers. So I know what it takes to grow a channel and have one that is successful. So let's just get into it. We don't need a long intro. Okay. My first tip is to just start. If you're scared to start your channel, please just start it. I know it can be nerve-wracking about people at school and what people are gonna think about you, but then they're gonna be the ones that are watching your videos later on when you have a following being like, oh my god, like I love your videos so much. It's like, no, like leave me alone. Do what you love, do what you wanna do, and don't care about what other people think because they're only gonna bring you down. They're not gonna bring you up.
Unless they are supporting you, then listen to them.
And if your friends are making fun of you, that's when you need to get new friends because we are not friends with people who bring us down.
I said, nope.
Only people that bring us up and want us to start our channel. So the reason why I say just start now is because I wish that I had started earlier. I bought my camera to start YouTube back in high school in 2016. And I didn't start my channel until 2 years later. So that is 2 years of videos and growth and memories that I could have been capturing and posting that I just didn't. And I just lost that time. And that's okay, it's fine, but please learn from my mistake and just start. You will not regret it. My second tip is to make videos about whatever you are passionate about. A lot of YouTubers will tell you,
find your niche and like put yourself in like 3 categories of videos that you want to make.
Personally, I haven't seen that help or hinder me at all. I haven't seen that. And I think that you can make videos about whatever you want because if you're passionate about it and you like making these videos, then that's what's gonna help your channel grow and that's what's gonna shine through. You don't need to make videos only about tech products, unboxings, and makeup, or manifestation and lifestyle videos and DIY. You don't just have to put yourself in those 3 categories. You can do whatever you want. I make videos about musical theater, college, lifestyle, fashion, unboxing Apple products, my car, Jeeps, all that kind of stuff. And I've still seen consistent growth. But pro tip, if one video just blows up, run with that topic and capitalize on it because then that will help your growth. My next tip is to make searchable content. The best videos are the ones that are going to show up in search results because YouTube is a search engine for a reason. If you want to mainly be a vlog channel, that's awesome. But I wouldn't start out your channel with only vlogs because who's gonna watch your vlogs? Maybe your 20 subscribers, and that's great, but you're not gonna gain new subscribers from those vlogs. So videos to do are unboxings, those always do well, challenges like the Chloe Ting ab challenge, or 2-week shred, or trying 12-3-30 for a week and the results, or drinking a gallon of water every day for a week. Videos like that are searchable because people are like, oh, like I wonder what happened for that person, like did it work, did it not work? And then what will happen is they get to know your personality through that video and that's what's gonna make them subscribe. So if you like making vlogs, still make the vlogs, but scatter some searchable videos throughout and then that will help your channel to grow. My fourth tip is to get to know the YouTube algorithm. So if you don't do this, you probably won't see growth in your channel for a very long time, if at all. So ways you can get to know the YouTube algorithm are by watching YouTube videos, reading articles about it, or using TubeBuddy, which is the sponsor for today's video. So in order to get more views on your videos, you need to take into account what YouTube notices in your videos when promoting them, like keywords, tags, thumbnails, etc. And TubeBuddy is a browser extension and a mobile app that integrates directly into YouTube to help you run your channel with ease. They have so many tools to help your videos come up in search results and get recommended to new viewers.
TubeBuddy automatically shows you the best tags for your videos so that your video shows up in search results more. And my favorite tool, which is the Keyword Explorer, helps you to decide what you want to title your video. So you basically can search any words that you want to include in the title, and TubeBuddy will show you if people are actually searching for them or not.
With the TubeBuddy Pro membership, you also get access to a ton of other YouTube tools that help you grow your channel, like Audio Hero for royalty-free music, and Tuber Tools for graphics and effects. If you click the link in my description and use my code, you can get 20% off of your TubeBuddy Pro membership. And thank you so much to TubeBuddy for sponsoring today's video. So going off of YouTube's algorithm, my next tip is to be consistent. And you've probably heard that from every single YouTuber, but it is the thing that works. This is one of those things that it's like, I should listen to my own advice because it really would help. But I've seen the most growth on my channel when I am consistent. Last summer I was posting at least once a week, at most 3 times a week. And when you look at how fast I grew, the trend line is like that. It's like all the way up when I'm consistent. And then when I'm not, it's kind of like, but then when I'm consistent, it goes like that. The best way to do this is to make a posting schedule for yourself, and you can do that by being like, okay, I'm gonna post a video on Thursdays at 3 and Sundays at 3, and then you will figure out what days you need to film, what days you need to edit, and what days you're gonna upload. So then you're on a schedule, and then you don't kind of like just let time escape you and end up never posting videos every week. The next thing I want to talk about is equipment. So you really don't need much. You might need like a little ring light. I have like a $40 one in front of me right now, and that's absolutely perfect. And it's portable and it works everywhere. I'll link it down below. It's from Amazon. And you don't even need a camera. You can use your iPhone, and iPhones have great quality, especially if you have like a 12. It's insane quality, so you can always use that. But if you're looking to get a camera, my favorite is my Canon G7X. I've had it since, I guess, probably 2019. I started off with a DSLR, which was just way too hard to figure out how to use. I still haven't figured out how to use it. I don't use it anymore. I just use my G7X, which was literally $500 cheaper and so much easier to use and more versatile, and I just like it a lot better. The other one, you have to connect a microphone. It's just a whole 9 yards. It's just too complicated. This one is amazing because it has the microphone built in, flip up screen, you can see yourself. Definitely recommend this camera if you are just starting out, or even if you have been a YouTuber for a while or a content creator for a while and you're trying to figure out, okay, like maybe I don't like my DSLR, what should I get? G7X. Next thing I want to talk about is editing. So I edited on iMovie for like my first 2 years of having a YouTube channel. I only switched to Final Cut, I think, last summer. But if you figure out how to use iMovie the right way, it can do everything you really need if you're making pretty basic videos. And if you want to make cool transitions or graphics, you can use Canva to do that and then just insert them into your videos. Pro tip, that's how I made my intro. If you guys want like a tutorial on that, let me know. It was not that hard. And then that's how I sometimes make some of my transitions and other graphics, because I like Canva. And sometimes Final Cut is a little hard to figure out, so it's fun to do it on Canva. Now, if you want to upgrade to Final Cut, it's $300, but if you're a student, you can get like the Apple bundle, and then it's like only I think maybe like $199 for like 5 different apps. And then you can just get to keep them, even if you're not a student anymore. So if you're a senior and you're like, oh, is it gonna expire next year? No, it's not gonna expire. You buy it for that price and you keep it for that price. You do not have to pay the $300. So definitely look into the student bundle if you're a student and you want to get Final Cut. And my last tip is to utilize your other socials. So when I started getting big on TikTok, I wasn't as consistent with YouTube, but then when I started getting consistent with YouTube again, I started putting my YouTube videos in my bio, same with my Instagram, and promoting them on my Instagram, and that at least drives some viewers to your channel. But YouTube's algorithm is gonna see that there are people watching your videos, so then they're gonna show it to other people. And utilizing your other platforms can get you, like, if you have 2,000 followers on Instagram, that can get you like 500 subscribers right there. And you can post and just be like, hey guys, I started a channel, I'm really excited about it, I would love if you would subscribe, and you could probably get like 500 people to subscribe. And then that is starting out with like 500 subscribers with probably having like 2 videos. That's amazing. So definitely capitalize on your other social medias and it will benefit you immensely. So yeah, I think that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, please like, comment, share, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok. If you want to follow me on any of those platforms, please do. It's just Audrey Trullinger. Same as my YouTube, but just all one word, at Audrey Trullinger. And I would really appreciate it if you would, but like no worries if you don't want to. Like it's like totally fine. Like I'm not gonna take personal offense to it. Or will I? I don't know, maybe. We'll see. But thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what your favorite tip was below, and I will see you guys in my next video.